Close your eyes and breathe slowly. Feel the air move in and out. Your body is calm. Your mind is quiet. You are safe. Now imagine a soft morning. The sun is rising. The light is warm and gentle. The sky is clear. The air is fresh. You feel the new day. You feel hope. You walk slowly on a small path. The path is simple. The ground is soft. Trees stand around you. Their leaves are green. The wind moves gently. You hear the sound of birds. The birds sing for you. Their voices are light. Their voices are kind. You keep walking. Step by step. Your feet are light. Your heart is calm. You see flowers near the path. The flowers are red, yellow, and blue. They are small, but they shine. You stop for a moment. You look at the flowers. You smile softly. Now you hear water. You walk closer. You see a river. The river is slow. The water is clear. It moves gently. It shines in the sun. You sit near the river. You listen. The sound is soft. The sound is calm. You close your eyes again. You breathe in. You breathe out. You feel peace inside. You feel light. You feel free. You stay here for a while. You rest. You are present. You are safe. You are calm. The morning is quiet. The sun is soft. The light touches the sky. You open your eyes slowly. You feel the air. It is fresh. It is new. You sit in silence. You breathe in. You breathe out. Your body is calm. Your mind is clear. You are safe. Now imagine you walk outside. The ground is warm. The grass is green. You hear birds sing. Their voices are light. Their voices are kind. You keep walking. Step by step. You see a small lake. The water is calm. It shines in the sun. You sit near the lake. You listen. The sound is soft. The sound is gentle. You feel peace inside. You feel light. You feel free. You smile softly. You are present. You are here. The day begins. The world is open. You are ready. You carry calm in your heart. You carry peace in your mind. The night is quiet. The sky is dark, but full of stars. The stars shine softly. They give light. They give peace. You lie down. You close your eyes. You breathe slowly, in and out. Your body is heavy. Your body is safe. You imagine a soft blanket of light. It covers you. It protects you. You feel warm. You feel calm. The world is silent. The stars are bright. Your mind is quiet. Your heart is calm. You rest. You dream. You are safe. You are free. You are at peace. You're still here. Take a slow breath in and a slow breath out. Your body begins to relax. Your mind becomes quiet. You are safe. You are here. Imagine a wide field. The field is green. The grass is soft. The air is fresh. The sky is clear. The sun is warm. You feel calm. You feel peace. You walk slowly into the field. Step by step, you move forward. The ground is soft under your feet. The wind touches your face. It is light. It is kind. You smile softly. You are calm. You see flowers in the field. They are small, but they shine. Red, yellow, and blue. They move gently in the wind. You stop for a moment. You look at the flowers. You feel joy. You feel peace. You keep walking. You hear the sound of birds. Their voices are light. Their voices are kind. They sing for you. You listen. The sound is soft. The sound is gentle. You walk further. You see a tree in the middle of the field. The tree is tall. The leaves are green. The branches are strong. You sit under the tree. You rest. You breathe slowly, in and out. Your body is calm. Your mind is quiet. You look at the sky. It is big. It is clear. The sun shines. The light is warm. You feel strong. You feel free. You are present. You are here. Now you think of your life. You think of small things. A smile from a friend. A kind word. A warm meal. You feel gratitude. You feel love. You feel peace. Gratitude is light. Gratitude is calm. You close your eyes again. You imagine the field around you. The grass is soft. The flowers are bright. The wind is fresh. The birds sing. The tree is strong. All is harmony. All is peace. You breathe in. You breathe out. You feel peace inside. You feel light. You feel free. Your body is calm. Your mind is quiet. The day moves slowly. The sun begins to go down. The sky is gold. The field shines. The flowers glow. You watch the sunset. You feel calm. You feel peace. The night comes. The sky is dark. The stars are bright. They shine softly. They give light. They give peace. You lie down in the field. The grass is soft. The air is cool. You close your eyes. You breathe slowly. Your body is heavy. Your body is safe. You imagine a soft blanket of light. It covers you. It protects you. You feel warm. You feel calm. The world is silent. The stars are bright. Your mind is quiet. Your heart is calm. You rest. You dream. You are safe. You are free. You are at peace. Closing message. Stay with us. You have walked through the fields. You have felt the calm. You have seen the light. You have rested in peace. This journey is for you. It is for your heart. It is for your mind. It is for your soul. Now, take this calm with you. Carry it in your day. Carry it in your night. Carry it always. And if this journey touched you, if you felt peace, if you felt hope, stay with us. Like this message. Share this calm. Subscribe now. Join our path. Together we grow. Together we walk. Together we find peace. This is your place. This is your time. This is your journey. Click subscribe. Stay. The fields are waiting. The light is waiting. We are waiting for you.